Hello, and welcome to this restorative practice. Let's begin by placing our hands over our knees and rounding our back. Breathe softly and slowly through your nose, waking up your spine one vertebra at a time. Now lift your chest and arch your back. Lift your chin to the sky. Breathe into your chest. Take your right arm out to the side. Raise your left arm and bend to your right. Breathing into the side of your body. Now come back up. Place your left hand down. Take your right arm over. Bend to your left. Breathe into the side of your body. Feeling every sensation. Come back to center. Twist to your right. Placing your hand behind your spine and your other hand over your knee. Now twist to your left. Bring your right hand to your left knee. Your left hand behind your spine. Come back to center. The first pose is child's pose. Make your way onto your hands and knees. Widen your knees, sink your hips to your heels, and extend your arms in front of you, resting your head down. Breathe into your back and belly through your nose. Stay here for a while. Let your body relax and melt into the surface. Now slowly rise up. Come back to a seated position. Grab a pillow and place it behind your back, along your spine. Lie down, resting your hands next to your hips. Keeping your legs hip width apart. And just breathe into your heart center. Stay here for a while, enjoying this gentle back bend and heart opener. Now slowly transition from supported fish to bridge by moving the pillow under your sacrum. And you can take your arms overhead. You can hold opposite elbows and just feel the release in your lower back in the supported bridge. Keep breathing through your nose. Stay aware of your breath. Now release your arms and move the pillow down under your knees, placing the soles of your feet together and your arms in a cactus shape for reclining goddess. And just allow your hips to open with your knees supported by the pillow. When you're ready, move the pillow under your right knee and straighten your left leg for supine tree, placing the sole of your right foot on your left thigh. You can rest your hands over your heart and belly. Keep breathing softly and slowly through your nose. And just allow yourself to reset. Now slowly change sides, placing the pillow on your left. Rest your left knee on the pillow. Extend your right leg and place the sole of your left foot on your right thigh. Once again, resting your hands over your heart and belly. Notice your breath in this moment. Now remove the pillow and slowly make your way to a seated position. Bring the pillow to your left hand side and bend your legs 90 degrees for twisted deer. Rest your head on the pillow, hugging it with your arms. Breathe gently through your nose. Slowly come up and change sides. Place the pillow on your right. Bend your legs 90 degrees and hug the pillow with your head resting on it. Slowly come out of twisted deer and bring your hips to the wall or your bed frame and lift your legs up and allow your arms to relax in a cactus position. And just feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed with each moment. Bring your knees to your chest, give yourself a hug, and slowly roll onto your side. And make your way to corpse pose. And just rest here for a while, focusing on your breath. Whenever you're ready, start wiggling your toes and fingers. Roll your wrists and ankles inward and outward. Wiggle your hips, shimmy your shoulders, shake your head. Slowly bring your knees to your chest. Hug your shins. Raise your arms overhead. Roll onto your left hand side. And slowly come up to a seated position. Bring your hands to prayer at heart center. Thank you for joining me in this practice. May you feel restored and rested. Namaste.